Hi, I am Angela Gafford Asmus, and I am the project superintendent for Scrapbook Albums for the Hamilton County Fair this summer, which will be held July 2020. If you look in your 4-H handbook, the instructions and the guidelines for Scrapbook Albums are found on page 102 and 103. I became the project superintendent the same week that the pandemic sheltering in place and everything began to be closed. So I am learning a lot about 4-H. I have personally been scrapbooking for about 20-25 years, and I've been a storyteller all my life, as well as a photographer. In this video, I'm going to show you some sample ideas and some hints for the beginner level, and then look for a second video that gives you some more information about intermediate and advanced, and then I'll do a video for you if you are going to not be using traditional materials, but using online software and photo album resources. So for our beginner traditional scrapbooking, I'm going to show you what my daughter did last year as a 4th grader in the beginner level. She decided to do a book about being on the swim team in our neighborhood. And so she's got a picture on each page, and she identifies with the date and the location, which is important for the beginning level, that we're able to identify what is on the page. And she chose to use her own handwriting, which I think is great and will be great as she gets older. So she's got some 3D stickers, some things that are raised up in some places. She decided to mat her pictures. But one of the main points for the beginner level is that we're learning how to identify what's on the page with names, dates, and places. Now, her plan was to continue this and turn this in this year with more pages of her swim team experience. But as many things have happened during the pandemic, our swim team was canceled. So she'll be waiting for next year to be able to add to this particular album, to add 10 more pages that she can take to County Fair 2021. Now, what she had thought about doing when she adds pages is to have some pages with some of her ribbons on them, which would be memorabilia, some of the heat sheets, and some of the time sheets that sort of for the different races. And that's a good way to add in memorabilia if you have that. Also, this is in a post-bound binder. Sorry, not a binder, scrapbook album. And this is 8x8 size. So you want to stick from 8x8 to 12x12. And I'll be showing you more 12x12 in the next video, where we look at intermediate and advanced scrapbook album for this summer. Please contact the fair office, the Purdue Extension office, to get in touch with me. And I have also created a Facebook page for us if you have questions, if you want to get some feedback before the fair, or if you're struggling and you need some encouragement, do check that out. Looking forward to seeing you.